Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video I will show you how to use the reading list feature in Google Chrome. The reading list is exactly what it sounds like, a list of things to read. It's a similar concept to the bookmarks. Instead of saving an article in your bookmarks, you can put it in the reading list. Main feature of reading list is the offline feature. Pages saved to your reading list can be read without an internet connection. Right-click on the tab at the top and then select Add Tab to Reading List. You can view your reading list by clicking on the icon right next to your profile icon. You can read the article even without the internet connection. This is how you can use Chrome Reading List feature. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.